the next method what we are taking up is the second partial equation method. So just look at the board how we can balance the reaction by using the partial equation method. So for this you need to divide the reaction into the various steps because we need to just balance the reaction in a partial way, like we just divide the reaction and we just balance them partially and then we add them, right. So example I am taking for you is like we have a reaction potassium iodide with hydrogen peroxide combine to form potassium hydroxide with iodine. How you can just balance it by using partial equation method. So while when we want to do it by partial equation method, we need to split the reaction into different steps, right. Like I am splitting it, right. So the first step I am splitting up is the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and nascent oxygen. So that means in first step this has taken place, right. And in the second step I am writing that the potassium iodide is reacting with this H2O and nascent oxygen to form KOH and I2. So that means this reaction is occurring in these two steps. Now the question comes, so after making this partial equation, the question comes now what to do. So the third step is that do the balancing wherever it is required. So I am just balancing this reaction. See, here is 2 Ki and here is there is 1 K, here is also 1 K, and here is 2 hydrogen but here is 1 hydrogen. So I am just making it 2 by writing 2 here. Now the potassium becomes 2, so by hit and trial method I am just balancing this reaction, right. Now this reaction is totally balanced. Now what I am doing is I am just adding them, and for adding I need to cancel those you can say the formulas which are appearing the same in the first and the second one. So what you can see, this H2O is repeated, so it is just being cancelled. Oxygen because it is on the left side and it is on the right side, so that means they both cancel each other. So I am just cancelling out, right. So the remaining reaction what we are left with is 2 Ki plus H2O2 forms 2 KOH plus I2. So let's see that whether it is balanced or not. See 2K, 2K, right. 2I, again 2I, balanced. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, balanced. 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen, balanced. So this is how you are going to balance the reaction by partial equation method and by the hit and trial method. Both the methods are equally efficient, but generally the method which is used is hit and trial. So whenever you just look at the reaction, try with the hit and trial. If you are unable to do that, then try the second one, or until unless you are mentioned that yes your teacher need this thing balancing with this particular kind of method.